Welcome to Let's Go for a Drive. Today a business tour as we stop in at the Smokin Wands Touchless Car Wash in Westlock, Alberta. One of the popular places in Westlock to get that vehicle cleaned. Buckle up, let's go for a drive.
holding the smoking wands for a quick clean. Bug splattered front plate dream.
Prairie sky on the windshield glass.
You laugh, guess we got time.
Threw it up and carpet climbed. So clouds rolling past.
Smoking wands spin me clean in this total of blue and green. Sunlight dancing on the hood between the drops in the foam and you and me. Oh yeah. If this is all in Westlock, just a 5-meter waterfall, then let it last like a long weekend. Alberta sky in the rear view and smoking wands spin me clean again. Maple leaf on your ball cap,
Coffee in a holder, country track,
humming while the brushes sway. Red and white on the license plate,
feels like a tiny holiday. Smile,
guess we're staying late. Smoking wands spin me clean in this tunnel of blue and green. Sunlight dancing on the hood between your drops in the foam and you and me. Oh, this is all just a 5-minute waterfall, then let it last like a long weekend. Alberta sky in the rear view and smoking wands spin me clean again. Outside there's mother highway, inside we're drifting slow.
Northern light in the daytime.
Rainbow on the windows. Hey! If love's a little car wash on a winterized canoe, and leave the world out in that parking lot, we'll stay right here with this view. Spin me clean in this town on the blue and green. Sunlight dancing on the hood between the drops in the foam and you and me. If this is all just a 5-minute waterfall, then let it last like a long weekend. Alberta sky in the rear view and spin me clean